Trust me, it was giving me Big Boss feel. Full drama. There were schedules to clean the alley, kitchen and everything. There were hundreds of problems. The bed used to get down. कभी खिड़की नहीं खुलती थी, कभी खिड़की बंद ही नहीं होती थी.
Today's topic is very important. I know a lot of you on the way in winter intake 2024. लोगों को अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिल रही थी, फिर APS का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, वो सब टैकल करते करते आपको वीजा मिल गया, तो अब लोगों को अकोमोडेशन का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. एंड दिस होल अकोमोडेशन प्रॉब्लम इज सो सीरियस. एटलीस्ट इन बर्लिन आई हैव टू से, मुझे तो बहुत साल हो गए, बट मैं जहाँ रह रहा हूँ मैंने 11 बार अपना घर चेंज किया हुआ है. 11 times. ठीक है. So I'm here with a student who is currently studying right now her masters. It's been how long that you're here now?
It's been almost 9 months.
9 months.
8 to 9 months, yeah.
I want to know from you. Look, by the end of this video, I want to know how can one get a good apartment. Simple as that. And or if not an entire apartment, a room at least. ठीक है. So yeah, tell us.
So first of all, there are number of ways that you can get an apartment or a student accommodation in Berlin. Starting with, like, I'll tell you my experience. I came here in January. I was searching for an apartment or an accommodation since July, almost August, July, back in 2023. And I was depending upon the student in work or the other student accommodations that Berlin offers, because my university did not offer any. And until a period of time, I kept applying for the same rooms or available student accommodations and hope that I would get it one day, and patiently waited for it but couldn't find any. So when time passed and I was almost as close to December and I was supposed to come to Berlin in January, I was scared because I did not have anything at hand. My tickets were booked, my visa was done, but then I couldn't even search for one single accommodation until then. So I started searching then through Housing Anywhere and other websites that Germany and Berlin offers. But then the issue was about scams. I had heard a lot of scams. I had heard stories about people sleeping in the garden, sleeping on airports since they did not find any accommodation, and I was scattered. I was scared. So I started joining those WhatsApp groups that comes, and finally I kept asking if anybody has any accommodation, gathered people, made a group of 7 people. Then we found one accommodation which was for 7 people and usual rates, and we were okay with it. But as and when time came for the contract and everything to be signed or it to be fixed, the owner usually he decided not to give us that, and he decided to increase the rent suddenly, and while we were really counting on it, we had to take a step back and search for something else. So the group that I had made had demolished, and then later on I was like, okay, now let's not depend on anybody, I'll have to search for my own. I searched, I messaged in the groups and everything, and finally I found one accommodation that had said that there will be 10 people in one house. Okay, I was still ready because I was like कि अब मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है, 15 दिन बचा है जर्मनी जाने के लिए, and I have to have a bed, have roof on my head, so that उधर जाके इतनी ठंडी में so much snow, nothing will happen. So I asked a friend of mine to go and check because I was also scared of scams.
Achha, you had a friend here?
Yeah,
okay.
Like not friend. I made communications through LinkedIn to search for my university people who have graduated or are still studying, and communicated with them and asked for help from a person ki yaar, please you can go and check if this is valid, like that. That happened, and then I got to know that it is in the C zone, which I did not have any idea about. A zone, B zones and C zones. And when finally I landed in Germany and I saw it, it was totally different. It was different in the photos and it was different in reality.
But तुम्हारा friend तो गया था ना तुम्हारे behalf पे?
Yeah, but according to his standards, that was amazing apartment in Germany.
Okay.
And
Oh,
according
God.
to the standards that we've come from in India, इतना comfortably मस्त रह के, this was nothing. Okay.
Crazy.
The deal was actually I had to spend 6 months locked in that one apartment. The contract was bound for entire 6 months. If you break the contract, you won't get your deposit back, and you'll have to pay the remuneration.
How much was that?
The deposit costed me about 800 to 900 euros.
Wow. And then rent was?
And the rent was 450 euros, which is too much to share your room with 4 people.
Oh, wait. So अपार्टमेंट में कितने 10 लोग हैं?
टोटल अपार्टमेंट में 10 लोग थे.
हाँ. और कितने
और-
बेडरूम थे?
लाइक देयर वर 4 बेडरूम्स. एक बेडरूम ऐसा था जो 4 लोगों के लिए था, एक बेडरूम था जो 3 लोगों के लिए था, एक बेडरूम था जो सिंगल था, एंड द अदर वन वाज फॉर 2 पीपल.
तो हॉल में भी कोई सो रहा था क्या?
या दे हैड मेड हॉल बेडरूम, सारी रूम्स को एक एक बना के उसमें बच्चों को डाल दिया था.
और सबको सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन मिला था?
सबको सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन जरूर मिला था, बट दे हैड इवन देयर वन स्कैम हैपेंड. ओके, सो दे हैड प्रॉमिस्ड अस 10 गर्ल्स व्हाटएवर, 2 washrooms and 2 kitchens, whereas there was no, like they didn't even provide another kitchen and another washroom, which was a task for 10 girls to manage at once in one kitchen or use one sharing washroom. It was a task. If you're planning and if you're saying कि अरे रह लेंगे कैसे भी, you know, हो जाएगा, please don't. You'll experience it for 6 months and then you will try searching for another part.
So you stayed there for 6 months?
Yes,
I mean, you had to.
I had to.
Was your owner German, Turkish,
Not really.
Indian?
Indian owners.
Indian owner था?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I would suggest कि Turkish owners से तो दूर रहो, वो तो next level scammers है. Like I wouldn't say that, but I have a story. So a group of friends of mine are staying at a place since about a year now, almost 8 months, same as me. And अभी वो owner को किसी और कुछ और लोगों को उधर लाना है उस अपार्टमेंट में, to have the commission, to have the increased deposit, to have the increased rent. That's why he's asking them for early rent, he's asking them for an extra commission, he's asking them to increase their deposit amount.
There are a lot of people in this business who just don't respect law here. Under the table बहुत कुछ हो रहा है इधर.
Definitely.
Right? What is your current condition right now? With like, where are you staying? How did you find this current one?
Yeah, so after learning the lesson for 6 months, finally when it was about time for me to vacate the apartment and everything, I started searching. I learned my lesson, and because I had to vacate the apartment in July, I started searching from June itself. So June, July 2 महीने मैंने लगाए, and I searched all over Berlin. I visited places and everything, and then finally I found a good rented apartment where I can stay individually and have my own conveniences.
You have your own room now?
I have my own private room now.
Wow.
That's the most process thing I have done this year because I am happy there now.
Right. I think बहुत सारे लोग ये बात समझते नहीं है कि एक प्राइवेसी होना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Very, मतलब आप जब रहोगे और आप जब एक्सपीरियंस करोगे तभी आपको समझ में आएगा. Even though I'm a people's person and I was like नहीं, I'll stay whatever. Like I'll think about the money, I won't think about the circumstances. कैसे भी रह लेंगे यार. Like at the end of the time you have to think that it's not you. It's the people around you. अगर आप ऐसे हो तो और बाकी लोग ऐसे नहीं हैं तो आप अपने आप को भी बहुत तकलीफ पहुंचाओगे इस सब चीजों में.
तो यार मतलब वो जो पहला वाला घर था, that was almost like a big boss house, right?
It was, trust me, it was giving me Big Boss feels. Like only cameras
drama.
weren't there. Full drama.
इसने ये नहीं किया, उसने
No
ये नहीं
cameras. There were
Groupism.
schedules to clean the alley, kitchen and everything. There were hundreds of problems. The bed used to get down. कभी खिड़की नहीं खुलती थी, कभी खिड़की बंद ही नहीं होती थी. I can't tell you when I literally shifted on the 27th of December. I flew and I straight away went. It was almost -2 or -3 degrees और हीटर ही नहीं चले पहले 15-20 दिन. हम मतलब मैं और मेरे साथ 2 और लड़कियां थी in the start. सिर्फ हम लोग तीनों रह रहे थे. We 3 of us stayed there in that apartment without any heater in the peak
my
winter
God.
season. So I survived that.
Okay. Now you tell people how can they find a house now? What's your mantra?
So I will tell you the best way to find your house is when someone else is vacating their place, you have to tell them कि जब तुम छोड़ के जाओगे, you let me know. I'll be the next rent person of this house. That's the easiest way if you have contacts. If you don't, then there are websites like Housing Anywhere and
Wunderflats.
Wunderflats
Uni
also.
places.
There's Wege Gazut.
Wege Gazut is there.
And also there are other accommodations, like I said, there's Berlin Ovo. But in सब जगहों पे क्या करना पड़ता है ना, you have to apply way before, first of all, and you have to be very consistent with application, and it's totally upon your luck. If you keep
True.
applying and if you don't get it, if two of your friends and you apply, it would be you who wouldn't get it and both of them would.
Yes, that's so true. yaar.
So luck factor is very important in such cases. So you don't have to hope on them. Just apply and keep. If you get it, you get it. It's just a part of your luck.
So वीडियो का मकसद डराना नहीं था बिल्कुल भी, बट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मेंटली आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड होके आना पड़ेगा एटलीस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट 6 months. बिलीव मी, समथिंग लाइक व्हाट यू सर्वाइव विद 10 people, राइट?
Yeah.
और ऐसे कई सारे अकोमोडेशन प्रोवाइडर्स है, बिकॉज आपके पास लास्ट में कुछ रहेगा नहीं तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं तो सेटल डाउन होना पड़ता है. वन क्विक सजेशन इज टू रीच आउट टू एवरी एलुमनाई, एवरी ह्यूमन यू कैन पॉसिबली रीच आउट टू इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सिटी, टाउन वेयर यू आर कमिंग टू जर्मनी. अगर आप हम दोनों से भी पूछो कि भाई रूम दिला सकते हैं क्या, हम दोनों नहीं दिला सकते हैं. और आपको कोई भी अगर बोल रहा है वो आपको रूम दिला देगा, वो आपसे झूठ बोल रहा है. मैं आपको क्लियरली बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है? क्योंकि मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि 10 साल पहले भी यही प्रॉब्लम थी जब मैं ढूंढता था, क्योंकि मेरे को याद है तब तो उतने लोग भी नहीं थे,
अच्छा.
फिर भी मेरे को 18 months रुकना पड़ा था.
Really?
Yes, to get a student and work का अपार्टमेंट जो गवर्नमेंट वाला घर है. कीप अप्लाइंग, आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली वे, बिकॉज मैंने देखा है कि लोग काफी टाइम डेस्परेट हो जाते हैं लास्ट में. डेस्परेट होके वो किसी को भी पैसा दे देते हैं ऑनलाइन. अरे यार हाँ ये भरोसे वाला लग रहा है, नहीं लग रहा है. बिलीव मी, आखिरी तक आप किसी को पैसे मत दो, ठीक है? आप भले यहाँ पर टेम्पररी अकोमोडेशन बुक करके आ जाओ, थोड़ा पैसा ज्यादा देना पड़े, हाथ में कैश लेके जरा ज्यादा आना, अराउंड 1000-2000 यूरो फोरेक्स कार्ड में, क्योंकि डिपॉजिट देने पड़ते हैं,
Right.
राइट? और कभी कभी जब तक आपका अगर ब्लॉक्ड अकाउंट अनब्लॉक नहीं हुआ रहेगा तो आप पैसे नहीं दे पाओगे. डिड यू कम विथ लाइक थोड़ा कैश हाथ में?
डेफिनेटली मतलब फॉरेक्स कार्ड का तो भाई फॉरेक्स कार्ड के साथ भी एक इशू हो गया था. तो जब इंडिया से करेंसी एक्सचेंज करा के आनी थी, लिटरली ऑन द 27th आई हैड टू फ्लाई. आई एक्सचेंज द करेंसी ऑन 26th एंड केम हियर. विदाउट दैट आई डिड नॉट रियली, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आने के बाद यू नीड, ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड यूरोज एवरीवेयर. यू नीड मनी एट हैंड टू डू एनीथिंग. इवन इफ you have to take out a trolley at the airport, you have to put a coin and keep your bags and then get out. So money at hand is really important. For deposit and all though, you have to give it.
Cool यार, I think I would like to end this video. वीडियो का पर्पस यही था कि आपको थोड़ा अवेयर करा जाए कि ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है आपके साथ. I've gone through something very worse than honestly speaking. मेरे को तो लाइक लिटरली पहले इनिशियल डेज में ही मेरा अराउंड 1900 यूरोस का स्कैम हो गया था मेरे साथ. तो
Really?
आते आते ही एनीवे वो कहानी मैं कभी और बताऊंगा. आप प्लीज़ अवेयर रहो और इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन एक बार चेक कर लेना, कुछ ट्रस्टेड वेबसाइट डाल दूंगा मैं आपके लिए. वीडियो अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक करना एंड फॉलो फॉर मोर.